this is Cara Brandon, and I am super excited to share with you a collaboration that DearJulieJulie and I are going to be doing at the beginning of December. It's called the 12 Days of Digitals. So what it is, I'm really excited, is I have my 12 Days of Digitals in my Etsy shop, and then Julie has her 12 Days of Digitals in her shop. And we're going to take both kits and use them a page a day and use the 2 pages from both kits and create what we can using those 2 pages. So there's things like tags and journaling cards and envelopes, and it will be really fun to just see how we create using the 2 pages and how different they are, how similar. I think it's just going to be really, really fun. And then at the end of the 12 days, you will have a bunch of things that you can use in your December documented, December daily, or if you just want to use them even as gift tags to give to friends, happy mail, you'll have a ton of things. And then the odds are you're going to have leftover bits that you might not use every piece from every page. Then on December, it's Wednesday, I think it's the December 16th. Check in the description, I'll have the correct date if I'm wrong. We're going to have a use it up day, and we're going to go live, and we're going to use our leftover bits. We're going to use StreamYard, and so you can see both of our screens, and we're going to talk and laugh and talk about the experience of using both kits. And so that will be coming up after the 12 Days of Digitals. So that's a lot of talking. Check the my description below for both links to our shops. I'm running a sale on my digital kits through December 3rd. So this kit, not all of them, but this kit is on sale, and same with Julie. I think she has a sale through December 3rd. So if you want to get the kits and you want them at a cheaper price, go ahead and grab both kits. And then you're going to have 24 fun pages to use. So my pages I printed on cardstock. I also printed my kit on this laser paper. There is a difference when you print it on cardstock. It's more vibrant if you print it on, you know, a better quality paper. But I wanted some thickness to the pieces that I make, and I didn't want to back everything with a different paper, so that's kind of why I printed it out on cardstock. But you can print them, that's the beauty of digitals, however you would like and how often you would like. Okay, so let's get started. Let me set these over here. So here's my day 1, and you'll get all 12 days in a zipped JPEG file, and then you can download them and print them. And it will go with Julie's day 1. So December 1st, I'll make a video where I'm using the bits and pieces from my page and incorporating Julie's bits and pieces. So maybe I use these to add as journaling cards to this envelope. Maybe I make a flip. You know, there's different kinds of things that I could do using and incorporating both things together. I think it adds a fun extra twist to our journaling and incorporating 2 different styles together. So I'm really excited. Okay, so that's day 1. And then day 2, my kit, I have these 2 pockets, kind of retro looking pockets. And then her day 2 has these vintage Christmas cards. So these will be perfect to go with the envelopes. And there's all these little bits and pieces you can use to embellish. And I'll be using things from my stash, like coffee dyed paper, lace, you know, all the bells and whistles as well. So I don't need to just feel like I have to just use this kit. All right, so day 3, here's Julie's with this really cool Santa and these large tags. And then I went a little bit different for day 3. I have this collage paper. And when I made the collage, I thought you could use snippets of her pieces to create different things and use it maybe as a layering piece. So maybe you really like this Santa and you want to pair it with this Santa somehow, so you could. You could also, if you're making your December daily, make this as an actual journal page, and then this could be a tag on your page. So we'll see how we use that on day 3. And then day 4, I have another set of tags, a journaling pocket, postcards, and then Julie has these really fun layered embellishments with lace and different pieces, and then 2 cards. So those are going to be really fun to go together, and they're both in the greens and the woodsy colors, so that's a really nice complement to each other. Kind of fun how that turned out. And then day 5, mine is the cardinals, the journaling cards, and then she has these really fun different wintry images, so those will be fun to put together. And then day 6 are these 2. So this, when I created this, I was thinking belly band, and then the images that you could kind of layer up on a belly band. And then here with Julie's, this could even be a 3rd belly band, or you could do something to incorporate the larger pieces as well. So that's day 6. Day 7 are these 2. So she has a blue page, similar tones and colors, so these work really well together as well. Pretty fun. I love the vintage Santa. It's so cute. All right, so day 8 is this page. Lots of journaling kind of cards in the reds and the greens. So we have lots that we could do here with the different journaling cards and similar greens and reds. So that's day 8. Day 9, I have this kind of peppermint candy stripe color scheme, and it's perfect with her Santas. Look how perfect that will be. The Jolly Santas with that one. And then day 10, I have 4 postcards, and then she has this file folder, and then these 2 library cards, and then this receipt. So those will be fun to figure out how to incorporate together. And then day 11, I have these big pockets, which is perfect. She has these really large tags, and they fit inside. So these will go really well together. And then day 12, we have 2 more blue pages. So mine has an envelope and then 2 tags, and then she has the blue Santa and some really fun wintry images. So that's day 12. So again, check the link below if you would like to play along. And the other really exciting thing is we are having several other YouTubers. We're going to give them the files, and they're going to be creating along with us. So it's not just Julie's ideas and my ideas. We're actually opening it up, and we'll make a playlist so you can see all of the other YouTubers, and that will also give you maybe some more people to check out in the YouTube world to gain other ideas. I'm really, really excited about that, and I can't wait to see what everyone creates. If you would like to join the Facebook group, I would love it. And then you could post what you've created with your day 1, day 2, etc. And then we're also going to be using a hashtag, and I can add this in the description. I just wanted to write it here, but we're going to use hashtag 12 days of Digis 2020. Maybe I should write it this way. Hashtag 12 days of Digis 2020. And if you are a YouTuber or you post on Instagram, if you use this hashtag, this will be an easy way for Julie and I to find your images and your videos, and then we can add it to the playlist, and so everyone can get all sorts of ideas of how to use all of the fun digitals and different pages. I really, really hope that you will come and play along and create and have all sorts of fun things to add to your December documented this year. If you have questions or comments, please post them in the comments below. And yeah, I'm super excited. And if you haven't already, excuse me, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notifications of when I upload my videos, so when these 12 days come out, go ahead and click the notification button. And I think that's all for now. All right, have a wonderfully crafty day. See you soon. Bye-bye.